Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device so the update runs reliably. Plug in the headset or charge to at least 50% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. 5 GHz if available because it transfers faster. Once done, make sure to back up your settings and saved profiles to cloud or local storage. This prevents lost configurations. Then, open the headset system menu, go to Software or System Update, and check for available updates so you can start downloading immediately. You monitor the download and installation carefully to avoid corruption. Keep the headset stationary and plugged in. Interruptions during install can brick firmware. While the system downloads, close companion apps on your phone and pause large network activity. When prompted, accept any permissions and begin installation. This may include intermediate reboots or component updates. If the update splits into parts, install them in order. Once the main install finishes, the system will finalize and present a completed status. You finish by verifying the new firmware version in About or System Info, then recalibrate tracking and controllers so performance matches the updated software. Once done, restore backed up settings and run a quick test of your primary apps and sensors to confirm stability. If something goes wrong, stuttering, tracking loss, or failed boots, try a safe boot or retry the update. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort, because that clears persistent corrupted state and usually resolves update-related faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.